Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sewityourself. For today's project, I am going to share you how to cut and stitch this beautiful A-line flared kurti with a less fabric. Now, without any further delay, let's get into the video. I have taken a 2.5 meter printed rayon fabric. Now I'll show you how to do markings in it. Firstly, I have folded the fabric by half in width. Then I folded by half in length. You can see here two layers. So here this is folded side and this one is also folded side. So now the length of my kurti is 40 inch. Now in my measurement, shoulder is 6.5 inch and neck width point is 3 inch. So mark half inch down for shoulder slope, then join this with the neck width point. From the shoulder, mark 7.5 inch, then 15 inch, so I am extending these points. In my measurement, chest is 40 inch divided by 4 gives you 10 inch plus seam allowance. So you can add 2 inch or 1 inch, it's up to you. And my waist measurement is 8.75 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. So now my front neck depth is 6 inch. So mark 6 inch from this point. And my back neck depth is 3 inch. So I am extending these points. So I am drawing a round neckline for my back portion. So and for my front portion, I have shared the video already. You can check the description box for the video link. Now I am drawing a back armhole curve. From this point, mark half inch inwards to draw a front armhole curve. So now from the bottom, mark 4 inch above and draw a slight curve here to give a round shape. So from the bottom till the waist, draw a slanting line. Just join these 2 points. Place the measuring tape like this and join this. So join these 2 points. So with this marking is complete, now I am going to cut it. So now I am placing this excess fabric here. This type of edge I am going to keep it here, and from this point you can see the measurement is 28 inch. So I am marking the same measurement in the excess fabric as well. So draw like this. Now I am going to cut it. So now I am trimming the back neck. So separate the back portion, and for front portion trim the front armhole curve. So now I have taken the leftover fabric for sleeve. You can see 4 layers. Length of my sleeve is 14 inch. So draw a straight line. Again from here mark 7 inch. Then 2 inch for seam allowance. So join these 2 points. This is the back sleeve. Just draw a slight curve. And from here mark ½ inch inwards for the front sleeve. So join these 2 points. Now I am going to cut it. Mark the center notch. Then open the fabric and make sure the wrong sides are facing together. Now trim the front sleeve. So with this marking is complete, now I'll show you how to stitch this. I have taken the back portion. Now I'm placing this excess fabric in the side like this. And now make a stitch here. Similarly for the other side also, place this fabric near the waist. See, I am placing this near the waist measurement. Then I will make a stitch here. This is the back portion. Now I am placing this under the waist and I am giving a stitch. So this is to give a more flare to the kurti. It will be so beautiful. So I have finished attaching. Now just fold this and make a stitch. Similarly finish the other side and also for the front portion. You can see I have finished attaching both the sides. So this is how it looks. Now using the bias tape, I'll finish the neckline. So I am placing the bias tape at the right side of the fabric and I am making a stitch. So this is the front portion. Now I am placing the back portion and I'll finish the neckline after attaching the shoulder. So now this is the back portion. I'm just placing the front portion like this and fold the bias tape once and make a stitch. Now I'll finish the neckline by folding it once. So you can see I have finished attaching the shoulder and the neckline. Now I'll attach the sleeves. Firstly, check the front sleeve. Then place the center of the front sleeve with the shoulder and make a stitch here. Similarly, I'll finish the other sleeve. Check the front portion and place it here and make a stitch. Then fold the bottom of the sleeve twice and make a stitch for both the sides. So always make a double stitch. Now I am folding the bottom of the sleeve twice and I'll make a stitch at the inner edge. Similarly, I'll finish the other side of the sleeve. I've finished attaching both the sleeves. So starting from the sleeve round till the bottom, I'll attach both the sides. Starting from here until the bottom. So leave 1 inch or 2 inch space according to your seam allowance, then start stitching. Similarly, I'll finish the other side as well. Now I'll fold the bottom twice and I'll make a stitch at the inner edge. So using the less amount of fabric, we can finish this A-line flared kurti like an umbrella kurti. So it's so simple to make. With this, my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.